say about it running through my head, bitch.
You have to walk down it. You need to get, like I told you, when I say it literally looks like a tornado touched down in our yard.
It probably was. It probably was a microburst.
Ripped through our yard, but that's what it looks like outside. I mean, there's just trees down everywhere. Power and light.
That was my family, yeah. And I'm jumping in the Bailey, yeah. And I know I'm such a man, yeah. Super Bowl, caught a hose, get in the rolls. Top flow lifestyle.
That other bathroom light did not work. I found it still have lipstick.
Haley said nothing's happened.
Tell Kelly to shut up.
Okay. What time did she leave? Like midnight? Was it 2? It was like, no, it was like 1. Yeah.
Honestly, I'm thankful for everything.
Wow.
Mom! What was that? I want a shiner. She finally got over bright rod just because the power went out. Jojo see ball inside the ball. I did Jojo see ball. School.
You gotta be easy. If you touch the table, you're gonna knock it over.
And never.
I just sent this. I sent a picture of that. You hear me? Apocalyptic grocery store trip.
Oh gosh, you got my like fat old night. You need to delete it right now. Right now. Now.
Smarter than him. But why are you being so mean? I'm mean. Don't be. That's a long line. That's a long line, everyone. Around the whole entire thing. Oh, Daddy, you're twisting me.
We survived. We survived apocalyptic grocery shopping.
It happened today. It's beautiful.
Number 1. Number 2.
Beer number 3.
Mama, are you
Number
ready?
4.
God damn it, Matt.
Mama, are you ready? What you doing?
Beer number 5. Number 6 by candlelight. How romantic. Number 7 in the car.
Number 7.
No cracker.
Back yours. All right, watch out, Nova.
Number 8 in the car.
Booty head.
Ooh, I can't stand them. But
Number
I
9.
love them. Oh my god.
Somebody, please help. Matt, can you help me? No.
Number 10.
Number 10.
Are you ready
Oh,
to play?
number 11.
Number 11.
Hi.
Artists who bring them to life. American Top 40. We got 10 down and we're rolling. Demi Lovato just released a personal new film project, which was to perform with the artist that inspired him to become a songwriter in the first place. That's Ed Sheeran. He was invited to open up for Ed for the European leg of his 2025 Mathematics tour, which is a full circle moment because Miles used to play Ed Sheeran songs as a teenager. Check him out. This is Stargazing.
Give me just a minute, okay?
I literally predicted.
I think there's 6 kids.
Clear and
Sit down and eat.
my mom will do it. That's why I said that.
But
I'm gonna give you money for food.
What are we gonna play? I don't understand what you're doing, David.
we're warming up the food. That's what we're doing.
That is not gonna work.
Take 2.
Aaron.
Oh my god.
Happy apocalypse, everyone.
Go past this light, then at the next one, turn right.
Oh my god, Dad, how much cars are those?
Trying to get gas. Cheers.
Sitting right here where I am.
That shit's crazy.
Weston's sitting right here, and I'm sitting right here. Daddy, that house is bad. Grayson, look, I did it!
I got so lucky.
Oh, gonna be crazy. How do people even get in there?
Sticking out your gap for the Whistler. Ready? Yeah.
Apocalyptic cheese dip.
Please do not tell. Zebra kiss, I'll go get the marshmallow. I'm just holding it. I said, ooh, it's cold in here.
No, don't sit down, Weston.
No, let me hold up this.